Hi, I'm Nick Melito, president of McClancy High School. I'm here today to talk to you about retractableroof.com. They put this beautiful building in 2 years ago, and we are so happy with it. Retractable roof, lighting, and it's just been a great experience. The owner, Hakim, is a great guy, and he stands behind his product. And I think that's one of the most important things in today's society, is that when you buy something, the people stay with you. And he does. And this particular building, our students love it. With 4 retractable areas, the roof, the lighting is good, and as you can see, we also included a patio. So I recommend this company highly. If you ever want to come and see it, how it works, you could just give me a call and I will gladly show you. Obviously not on school days because we have rules and regulations. But again, retractableroof.com is somebody you could trust, and they stick by their product and they stand behind everything they build. And I do recommend them very highly. Thank you.